how to calculate the time complexities of any given algorithm. So suppose we are given an algorithm which is like a for loop that will run from 1 to n, and there is one inner loop again from 1 to 2n, and then there are some statements like only additions or subtractions, like that, plus minus. Then I need to find out the time complexity. Time complexity means with respect to the input n, in which order it will take the algorithm to run. Means if I am giving input n and n is a very large number, like around 10,000 or more, so with respect to my input size, what is the time taken by my algorithm? So here, since it is for loop, it will run from 1 to n. Means if I am having my n as 10, suppose, or let it be 10,000, then this outer loop will run for 10,000 times and the inner loop will run for 20,000 times. So as a whole, when the outer loop is running for one time, the inner loop is running 20,000 times, and when the outer loop is running for 10,000 times, the inner loop shall run for 20,000 into 10,000 times. Means I am multiplying this limit with this limit to know what is the time complexity or the time required for running the whole program, if this is my only program or algorithm here. So the time complexity here for this is big O of n. Here this is big O of 2n. So multiplying both, it becomes big O of 2n square, where since 2 is a constant, we need not write it. So it is big O of n square. Similarly here it is mentioned from 1 to 5, and we know that 5 is not a very large number. And suppose inside it we are having only plus and minus, addition and subtraction instructions. So this is going to take big O of 1. Means it will be done in constant time. Means whatever platform or whatever running environment I'll choose, it will take a constant time, and it is represented by big O of 1.